As mentioned previously, there's a wide range of video styles you can use for e-learning, and your choice all depends on the intended purpose of the video being produced. One of the most popular styles for e-learning is the talk and head format, as they help the students build familiarity with the presenter as well as being more engaging than viewing basic slides on screen. Talk and head videos can especially be great for welcome and introduction videos to build rapport with the students who are starting the course. Another style of video popular within e-learning is screencasting using software such as Camtasia. This style of video records the user's screen, often including a voiceover narration, and it's great for software demonstrations or other technical procedures using a computer. It's also possible to use various animations within e-learning to demonstrate topics and concepts, which are a great way to engage and can be enjoyable for the students. Additionally, animations can display processes that wouldn't otherwise be visible to humans, such as biological cells. Even though animations are a good idea to communicate certain ideas, they can be time-consuming to produce high-quality videos and usually requires knowledge of software such as Adobe After Effects. Another style is demonstration videos, to demonstrate procedures or scenarios displaying the correct process so that students can learn from observation, such as medical procedures and role plays using actors. A major advantage of video demonstrations is to provide a viewpoint a student wouldn't normally have access to due to safety reasons or logistics. Video demonstrations are about using real-world examples and has the added benefit of being cheaper and more accessible than a face-to-face demonstration. Throughout this course, we'll be focusing on the specifics of filming, such as talking heads and video demonstrations, so you can see how production changes when developing video for e-learning, as opposed to tutorials on screencasting and animation software.